My name is Angela Zervos with Zervos and Calta, and today we're going to be talking about how much is my car accident case worth in the state of Florida. There is no single average settlement. Cases depend on various factors, such as the severity of somebody's injuries, whether or not they are at fault for the accident, whether they've had prior medical issues that are not related to the subject car accident, the policy limits of insurance for the other driver. Those are just some of the many factors. So there really is no easy answer for that. It is really case specific, and it really depends on the facts of your case. So for instance, if you're in a car accident and you have a fender bender type of an accident and you whiplash your neck in a way that you just have some tightness and some soreness, that case is not going to be worth anywhere near as much as it would be if, God forbid, you were in an accident that involved you having a surgery or some fractures or some scarring. One of the other things that is important is the value of your lost income, your past medical bills. Are you going to lose income in the future? Will you be able to work again in the future? What are your expected medical bills going to be in the future? Obviously, the higher those numbers, the more valuable your case is. Policy limits, insurance policy limits to be specific. Unfortunately, in the state of Florida, where bodily injury coverage is not required anymore, you'll often see a lot of people driving around with zero liability or minimum coverage of like $10,000. So even though your case could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, if there's not enough insurance coverage from the at-fault driver, you're pretty limited. Lastly, Florida has what's called comparative negligence laws. That means that if you are at fault for the accident, even a small percentage, the value of your case is going to be reduced by that percentage. So let me give you an example. If you are found 20% at fault because perhaps you might have been going a little too fast and you could have avoided the person that ran that red light, then the value of your case will be reduced by that 20%. But here's the scary thing in Florida. In March of 2023, they changed the comparative negligence laws to limit you to zero if you are found more than 50% at fault. So in a situation where you are at 51% fault and the other driver is 49% at fault, you can recover nothing. Kind of sad, but that's the state of affairs in Florida. If you have any questions about what your car accident case in Florida is worth, visit us on our website at zervosinjurylaw.com.